Welcome to the Explainer. If you're a focused learner trying to perfectly dial in your media center setup, well, you're in exactly the right spot. Today, we're diving into exactly how SALTS installation works effectively. We're going to break down a highly structured 23-step process for installing this Kodi add-on, all based on a really comprehensive guide from Wireless Hack. Now listen, I know 23 steps sounds like a ton of work, but seriously, don't worry. We're going to use these slides to chunk the whole thing down into manageable, logical phases so you can get it running flawlessly, with zero cognitive overload.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll kick things off with what is SALTS, then cover what you need before you install. After that, we'll walk through the 3 key technical phases: adding the red repo, installing the Zeus 768 repository, and finally installing the SALTS add-on. We'll wrap it all up with some final takeaways. All right, let's get right to it.
Section 1. What is SALTS? An overview of the video add-on. Okay, so SALTS actually stands for Stream All the Sources. Basically, it's an updated Kodi add-on that lives right inside the Zeus 768 repository. If you think about it, it's kind of like a digital personal shopper. It acts as an engine that just scours the web, pulling together media links from all these various scrapers and bringing them into one clean, streamlined interface for you. And honestly, the feature set is exactly why power users want this tool. You aren't just getting your basic movies and TV shows here. You're getting cloud storage services, a dedicated debriefed cloud manager, 24/7 channels, and even advanced search and AI search capabilities. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Tracked, which is fantastic for keeping your viewing histories synced up. It's basically a comprehensive dashboard for all your media, which is exactly why advanced users hunt down this specific aggregation tool.
Moving right along to Section 2, before you install, prerequisites and compliance.
So here is the absolute most crucial thing you need to know before we go any further. SALT is built strictly for advanced users who are leveraging paid premium links. We're talking services like Real to Breed, Premiumize, All to Breed, Off-Cloud, Torbox, or Easy News. There are literally 0 free links here. If you install this expecting to just click and play without a premium paid link service, it simply will not work. But if you do use those services, it is incredibly optimized. Also, version compatibility here is super strict. To run SALT successfully, your base software absolutely must be Kodi version 20, which is known as Nexus, or version 21, Omega. So definitely make sure your base software is fully up to date before you even start the process. It is also important to briefly note the compliance aspect of this setup. According to Wireless Shack, they have no affiliation with Kodi, its add-ons, repositories, or builds. They explicitly state that they do not support or condone copyright infringement, noting that Kodi should only be used with content that is bought and owned personally or is in the public domain. For our purposes today, we are simply reviewing their technical guide. All right, Section 3. Adding the red repo, the initial setup phase. Let's start building this out. Starting right from your main menu, head to the top left and click the System Settings gear icon. From there, you'll want to open your file manager, select Add Source on the left side of the screen, and finally click right where it says None. Doing this opens up the text pad so we can point the system to a brand new external location. Now, precision is absolutely key right here. Carefully type in this exact URL, https://repo.redwizard.xyz, and hit OK. Next up, name this source Red Repo. Now pause for a second. Double check that every single letter and symbol is perfectly correct before you click OK. I mean it, just one tiny typo here will derail the whole process. Section 4. Installing Zeus 768 repository, our core repository phase. All right, with that source successfully added, back out to your main menu and click Add-ons. Open the package installer icon, that's the little open box at the top left, and select Install from Zip File. You're probably going to get a warning pop-up here. Just click Yes. Keep in mind your system does require unknown sources to be enabled for this to work, since we are bringing in outside files. So from the pop-up box that lists your sources, go ahead and select the red repo we just created, and then click that red wizard zip file. Now stop clicking and wait. You absolutely must wait for the system notification at the top right confirming the repository is installed. As soon as that appears, you can safely proceed to click Install from Repository.
Section 5. Installing the SALTS add-on itself. The final installation phase.
We're almost there. Now we drill down. Open the red repository, click Add-on Repository, and then select the Zeus 768 repository from the list. Hit Install. Basically, we've just used the red wizard as a sort of bridge to reach Zeus 768 because that's where SALTS actually lives.
And for the final sequence, jump back one level to Install from Repository and open your newly installed Zeus 768. Navigate down to Video Add-ons, locate SALTS, and click Install. You'll see a few final confirmation pop-ups appear, and boom, that is it. The software is successfully locked into your system, showing exactly how SALTS installation works effectively.
Let's wrap this up with Section 6, Final Takeaways, Summary and Future Outlook.
What you get at the end of this structured 23-step implementation process is a really powerful premium-tier aggregation tool. SALTS isn't trying to be everything for everyone. By stripping away those unreliable free links and focusing exclusively on premium services like Real Debris via the Zeus 768 repository, it provides a significantly more stable, highly structured media experience that advanced users are really looking for.